and welcome to At the Mama That Does It All. Thank you for joining me. Today I want to share with you this awesome sandwich grill. It has a red light and a green light, and once your green light is lit, you're ready to start making your yummy sandwich. So I'm making sandwiches for my daughters today for lunch, and as you can see here, I'm just putting some mayo on the exterior of the bread because I like that golden crust on the outside. And they each like their own topping, so I'm using American for one, mozzarella for the other. But funny story is, I actually got this, my husband and I got this sandwich grill maker when we got married as a wedding gift. So we've had this for quite some time and we definitely do not use it enough. I usually forget we have it, and I pulled it out of the cabinet and I'm like, let's give this thing a try again. So once you're done, you close the lid, and once the green light is ready and lit, that means your sandwich is ready. So you can go ahead and open up the grill and check this out. Look at these sandwiches. They look so amazing, and look at the inside. All that yummy, cheesy gooiness. It's so delicious, and it's ready to go. She's gave me a thumbs up, so I'm going to give it a try and make my own sandwich. Mine's a little bit thicker because I have the keto bread, and so it's a little bit different texture. So I went ahead and prepared it, and now let's take a look and see what I'm working with here. Oh yeah, spinach, ham, turkey, cheese, love it. So quick lunch idea, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.